owl. A barn owl?
No. This is a eastern screech owl.
Oh, a little tiny screech owl.
Yeah.
Where is he from? Where's he live?
Here. I mean, he lives
Boyd
in the
Hill?
No, they can live here. He lives in the sanctuary, Seaside Seabird Sanctuary. Hospital in a big enclosure. But he does come out like this on gloves at the sanctuary.
As big as they get.
Yes.
Oh my God, you're so cute.
He's about 10 years old. He was hit by a car, so he's been with us about 6 years. He's blind in his eyes, so he can't be released.
Okay.
He was hit by a car? Oh my God, how did he survive?
Aw. And what's his name?
Rufus.
Rufus. Okay.
He's the red morph, and the other ones are more common coloring are gray morphs. So we named him Rufus because he's red, and he's the red color.
Beautiful.
Oh my God.
Okay, so if people want to see him, they can see him at the Suncoast
Seaside
Sanctuary on Indian Shores Beach, Florida. It's right on the beach.
Right? Free parking, free admission. It's right on the beach. We're open every day from 8 to 4. And we have a reading with Rufus, which I'll hold up the sticker for you the last Saturday of every month.
A reading with Rufus.
Yeah.
I visited Rufus at the Seaside Seabird Sanctuary. Can you say that 3 times fast?
So the last Saturday of every month between 11 and 12. Oh, here it is. Reading with Rufus, and they have it's a kids program.
Oh, reading stories with Rufus every last Saturday, 11 to 2. Observation
11 to
deck.
12. 11 to 12.
Oh, I'm sorry, 11 to 12.
At the
Address, I'm gonna say that.
Okay.
Look it up. Because I can't get the address on it.
Oh, yeah. Well, you can look up the address.
Thank you so much.